Crisis. NEPA calls state of emergency for the environment. Oil discovery, but not in the way you think. This evening, the startling story of Greenwich Town fisherfolk. And delving deeper, how climate change is impacting your life. And now, live from the TVJ News Studio and Greenwich Town Fishing Beach, your primetime news anchors.
Good evening and welcome to a special edition of Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious, and we're coming to you live from the Greenwich Town Fishing Village.
And I'm Doreen Samuels in studio. There's also business news, sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question. This evening we're asking, what are you willing to do to reduce your impact on the planet's ecosystem? Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet @televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.